Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the difference between DXF and DWG files for our import configuration tab. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. So now, just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on the actual import tab for the configuration. So there's quite a few things we have to cover, but first of all, I would say let's first go through what DXF and DWG kind of stands for, or what they are used for. And when it comes to CAD programs, this is normally the native format you'll be using. So yeah, what it comes down to is a DXF file. In short, it stands for drawing exchanged format or drawing interchanged format. So that is pretty much what the DXF stands for. And it's a type of vector file, you can say. So it works with mathematical equations, the way it stores it. And also many engineers, designers, architects use the DXF file format for 2D and 3D drawings during production. So that makes it very handy. So you can kind of use it as a form of 2D layout for product designs. I mean, obviously it doesn't have to be just product designs, but then you can also do it for three-dimensional products. So you can do all the way from the layout for when you want to cut it, and you can have like a preview of what the final thing will look like with all those pieces. It's very handy. I mean, the formats, or both these formats, have been around about 41 years. So it is quite an old format. I think it was introduced around 1981, 82, around there. And yeah, and the main difference between the DXF and DWG, at least what I could find from it, was that the DXF became the standard for the AutoCAD program, where the DWG again is like the native, you can say, for stuff like DraftSight, also AutoCAD, BricsCAD, what was the other one? IntelliCAD, Caddy, and Open Design Alliance. So the DWG is a bit of a wider range format, so more programs kind of use that, where I'm sure most of them also can use the AutoCAD from Adobe, I mean the DXF, but that is kind of their refined, I think, version to work better with their program. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual CAD. So if we go here to configuration on the import, we can see we have the option here. Let's fix our zoom quick. Import DXF /DWG. So this next section is going to be all about those type of files, and that's why I figured it's a good idea to understand what they are. So when we're working with them, you understand that this is the way it calculates it. And it's very important to remember that this is a mathematical type file format, which is great for many reasons, where you can scale it up to whatever size, and you can work with tolerance, which you can see a lot of here. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual file formats. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.